Hi friends, today we will see the preparation of carboxylic acid. First, from alcohol and aldehydes. In that, when alcohol and aldehyde is oxidized, it gives corresponding carboxylic acid. First is ethanol to ethanoic acid. 2 carbons is eth, OH is all, that means ethanol. To that alkaline, this is KMnO4. That is KMnO4 is strong oxidizing agent. Alcohol, it will be converted into oxalic acid, right? This is decanol, CH3 CH2 H COH means 8, 9 and 10. 10 carbon is called decan and OH is there, that means decanol. We have used John's reagent. With that, what it will form? This is OH that will be converted into oic acid. By John's reagent also we can use KMnO4, that is also oxidizing agent. With that we can prepare carboxylic acid. From esters also. Before ester structure we know that COO is, this COO is known as ester. But directly also we can do ester, but from the beginning we have to show with the ketone. See, when ester is hydrolyzed in acidic or basic medium, it gives its corresponding carboxylic acid. Okay, this statement is written from here that ester on hydrolysis we will get the carboxylic acid, but we can take the starting material as a ketone plus H2O. What it will form on the, we will take the base, it will form RCOONA. Right, ONA is a negative, O is negatively charged, carbon is positive, ONA will be attached here and ROH will be removed. From ONA will be attached on the carbon partially positive and we will form RCONA, that is ester. On hydrolysis we will get directly carboxylic acid, and from here Na and here OH, NaOH will be removed. We got the carboxylic acid. Another method is from Grignard reagent. As earlier we have studied the Grignard reagent, in that same manner only we have to apply here. When Grignard reagent is treated with dry ice, it gives its corresponding adduct, which is hydrolyzed to give carboxylic acid. This is Grignard reagent RMgX. In that R is partially negative, Mg is partially positive. We have taken here CO double bond O, right? And here what is happening? This is partially positive carbon. In that R minus will be attached to the carbon, partially positive carbon, right? And another MgX will be attached to the partially negative carbon, right? This is nothing is written. C double bond O minus. In that way it is written. This is partially positive, partially negative. Partially positive के साइड नेगेटिव अट्रैक्ट करेगा और ये पॉजिटिव पूरा टर्म O के साथ अटैच हो जाएगा. तो this type of adduct will be formed. On H3O plus hydrolysis, what it will be happen is Mg from here OHX, MgOHX will be removed, and here RCOO, and from here H, that will form an carboxylic acid. We will form two product MgOHX and RCOOH, that is carboxylic acid we formed. Next is, this is one example is shown the same manner we have to solve. Partially positive will be attached C2H5 and O negative MgX will be attached here with the same MgOH from here, and Cl will be removed and this C2H5CO from here OH. This will form an carboxylic acid. Another method is from acid chloride. This is acid chloride, H plus H2O. What it will form? Directly it will form an carboxylic acid. Then another the same H3O plus, directly it will form 2 moles because we have taken here 2 moles, so it will form 2 moles of carboxylic acid. Acid chloride we have taken acid chloride H plus and we will get carboxylic acids. Another is oxidation of alkyl benzene. What is happening here is, this is Alkyl benzene, when KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent and KOH is a base. Heat, when it will heat, what it will form is COOK. On hydrolysis, it will form directly benzoic acid. Here it is written, when alkyl benzene is treated with alkyl KMnO4, it gives its corresponding salt, which is hydrolyzed to give corresponding carboxylic acid. Oxidation of alkyl group is irrespective to the length of the alkyl group. This method is only for aromatic carboxylic acid, but by this method only primary and secondary alkyl group is getting oxidized, because this group is having group. Okay, in that they are telling they are only applicable for primary and secondary alkyl groups only. And the same as I told you, that the toluene on oxidation we will get this COOH, on hydrolysis we will get this benzoic acid. Next method is nitrile compound. In that what is happening, this is nitrile on OH plus H2O. Directly we will get the amines. RCONH2 is an amine. On hydrolysis we will get carboxylic acid. Simply you have to keep in mind that nitrile on H plus acidic medium, we will directly get here C double bond O NH2, that is amine group. RCONH2 is amine group. Hydrolysis we will get carboxylic acid. Another example, instead of R, the another example is C2H5. Simply here double bond O NH2 will be attached, amine we formed. On hydrolysis, acid we will get carboxylic acid. The same manner, this way CONH2. Okay, leave this example, just write this one. Next time we will see physical properties of carboxylic acid. Okay, write this in your notebook. Thank you.